If you want build any circuit in your phone and simulate quickly, then this video for you. Hi friends, welcome back my channel. Today we learn how to build and quickly simulate any circuit in your phone. Today we see one Android app that make your work very easily. Let's start this video. You have to just download one app. The name of this app is Every Circuit. You can download this app from Google Play Store. I will give you the link of this app. Let's learn how to build any circuit in this app. You have to just go here, new circuit. This is the front panel of this app. At the top of this front panel, there is the huge component library. This includes all basic components like resistor, capacitor, inductor. After that, transformer, LED, diode. You can use this component for build up any circuit. This also available a power component like transistor, MOSFET. There is also a various ICs like 555. You can use this IC for build any circuit. So let's start to build a circuit. Let's learn how to build a circuit. Just press here and take one resistor. The first three are the source. This is the signal source, voltage source, and this is the current source. So we take a voltage source. You have to just touch the points and connect to the component. Here we built a 1K ohm resistor and 1 volt source together. And let's see the result. Just press here and see simulation is start. We know that when 1 kilo ohm connected to the 1 kilo ohm resistor, then the current is 1 milliampere. We know the Ohm's law. R is equal to V by I. When R is 1K and voltage is 1, then I equal to R into V. So I is 1 milliampere. If you want to see a detail, then here you can see a graph of that particular point. You can also change the voltage parameter just round up like this. You can change the voltage. Here you can see the voltage of source will be changed. So next we built up a rectifier circuit. Then you clear how to see a sine wave. Just keep here a diode and connect to the circuit. Here just change with a sine wave. Here you can see half wave. We know that in half wave rectifier only rectification is done only in single half wave. Just see here the diode works only in positive half cycle. And diode is inactive in negative half cycle. If you change the direction of this diode, diode works only in half wave cycle. In this way you can study any circuit, how the component works, how the behavior of this circuit very easily. Just put a components and connect with source, then easily you can understand what is the output of that circuit in your mobile. I hope you understand how to build a circuit in this app. You can just try this and comment me what you feel like in this app, what you like to build up in this app, and also comment me which topic you want to watch a video